Thinking about your first carport in Joburg? Let's break down what you can expect to pay.
You've basically got two main choices for the roof, so which one is right for you?
It's a classic trade-off, really. All-weather protection versus a much friendlier price tag.
All right, first up, IBR sheeting. This stuff is super popular across Gauteng for a reason.
And here's its biggest selling point. You get amazing protection without totally breaking the bank.
IBR gives you real defense against those wild Joburg hail and heavy high-feld storms. Seriously.
Okay, so what about option 2? Let's check out shade cloth and see how it stacks up.
Its main job is right there in the name, shade. It's not really an umbrella for your car.
So yeah, it's perfect for sun protection or maybe for a second car you don't use daily.
All right, let's put them side by side. This is where your choice gets a whole lot easier.
See, this chart really spells out the different jobs they do. Makes it pretty clear, right?
So you just got to ask yourself, am I worried about the sun or, well, everything else?
But hold on, the roof isn't the only thing that's going to affect that final price tag.
It makes sense, right? A bigger, more complex design like a cantilever is going to cost more.
So all these things, plus the roof you choose, add up to your final project cost. Okay, so when you boil it all down, it really just comes back to one simple question. Are you going for total, all-weather protection, or are you after the most affordable option?
Answer that, and you'll know exactly which carport roof is the right one for you.